Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Inflation changes bank loans. Let us break down how unexpected price hikes shift the real cost of borrowing money today. The real interest rate is simply the nominal rate minus inflation. Initially, Aya and the bank expected a real rate of 1% because 3 minus 2 equals 1% profit. When actual inflation jumped to 6%, the math changed completely. Subtracting 6 from 3 gives a negative 3% real rate, meaning the bank actually lost purchasing power overall. Since the bank receives less value than lent, they are worse off. Meanwhile, Aya pays back cheaper dollars, making her the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps for option D.